What if one simple nighttime drink could quietly influence your digestion, inflammation, sleep, and even your cravings? Not instantly, not magically, but gradually. Over 7 nights. Most people focus on what they eat during the day. Very few think about what their body is doing while they sleep. And even fewer understand how certain natural compounds may support those nighttime processes. Tonight, we're breaking down what happens inside your body when you drink a simple clove infusion before bed for 7 consecutive nights. But more importantly, we'll also talk about who should avoid it and the common mistake that cancels the benefits. This is for educational purposes only and not medical advice. Let's begin. What your body does while you sleep. While you sleep, your body is not off. It is repairing. Your liver processes toxins. Your digestive tract resets. Hormones regulate. Inflammation levels shift. Cells repair microscopic damage. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., many repair processes are most active. Your gut lining regenerates. Your immune system recalibrates. Your brain clears metabolic waste. This is why sleep quality affects everything. Now imagine introducing certain plant compounds into that environment before bed. Not stimulants, not sugar, but anti-inflammatory phytochemicals. This is where cloves enter the conversation. What makes cloves interesting? Cloves are dried flower buds from the clove tree, small, dark, intensely aromatic, but chemically powerful. The main active compound in cloves is eugenol. Eugenol has been studied for anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidant activity, antimicrobial effects. Cloves also contain small amounts of vitamin C, manganese, fiber compounds. But the real interest lies in the antioxidant density. Antioxidants help neutralize oxidative stress, and oxidative stress plays a role in inflammation, aging, digestive imbalance, metabolic strain. So when cloves are steeped in warm water, certain compounds are released into the infusion. And this is where the 7 nights idea becomes interesting, because subtle effects compound over time, not in one night, but gradually. What you might notice after 7 nights, let's walk through realistic possibilities, not exaggerated promises, but realistic shifts. First, digestive calm. Some report reduced bloating. Clove compounds may support digestion by stimulating enzymes. When digestion improves, gas and discomfort may decrease. But this depends heavily on the individual. Second, reduced nighttime inflammation. It tends to flare at night, especially with joint discomfort. Clove compounds may offer mild, subtle support due to their anti-inflammatory properties, not a cure. Third, fresher breath and oral support. Clove has natural antimicrobial properties historically used in oral care. Drinking a mild infusion may contribute to a cleaner oral environment before sleep. Fourth, sugar craving regulation. Strong flavors can reduce late-night snacking urges. A warm spiced drink before bed can psychologically signal kitchen closed, influencing calorie intake. Fifth, gut microbial influence. Clove compounds may influence microbial balance. However, excessive intake may disrupt this balance. Moderation is absolutely key. Now, who should be careful? This is important. Clove is potent and not for everyone. Avoid or consult a professional if pregnant, have ulcers, bleeding disorders, or take blood thinners. Also, if you have a very sensitive stomach lining, eugenol can be irritating in high doses. More is not better. The common mistake: using too many cloves, boiling too long, or drinking it daily for months. Assuming natural means harmless is also a mistake. The body responds best to moderate exposure. Use a small amount, short steep, and occasional use for best results. How to prepare it safely. Use 2 to 3 whole cloves. Steep in warm, not aggressively boiling, water. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain. Drink warm, not concentrated. not multiple cups. Simple. Clove water before bed is not a miracle or a cure, but in moderation, it may support certain nighttime processes. The key is balance. Your body thrives on consistency, not extremes. If you found this helpful, share your thoughts below. And remember, small habits repeated gently create the biggest long-term shifts.